Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm excited to have you here, and I hope that the unique video I'm about to share with you will play a pivotal role in helping you reach your financial goals. But before we delve into the details, I'd like to kindly ask you to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Your support means the world to us and keeps us motivated to provide you with valuable content. Now, when it comes to the subject of the video, it's important to emphasize that success in this game hinges on two key factors: discipline and confidence. Without these, it can be challenging to control potential losses and navigate the risks effectively. As we proceed, I'll explain what this entails, so stay tuned. When you're ready to place your bets, it's vital to consider the amount you're comfortable with and choose the color that appeals to you. Remember that the lower the coefficient, the higher your chances of winning become. In particular, a 2x coefficient can significantly boost your odds of success. However, there's a trade-off. If you decide to bet on the green color, your chances of winning decrease, but the potential rewards are higher. Be aware that this approach carries a higher level of risk, which could lead to a loss of your entire capital. Now, if you're keen to delve deeper into strategies and multiplication methods, I've included a link to a dedicated video in the description below. This video will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of how to maximize your earnings and minimize your risks in this game. Thank you for tuning in, and let's embark on this financial journey together. Remember, your financial success is within reach, and I'm here to guide you every step.